The rainbow. No! The rainbow. It's fading. I see it. Oh my gosh. What a beautiful rainbow. I was out riding my bike. When I saw the rainbow, so I raced home as fast as I can to grab my camera. But I don't think I got there fast enough, for it is disappearing. I hope y'all can see this rainbow really good. Or I'm just draining it off. Pretty. And that's my house. I ran all the way here just so I could film the rainbow. Man, I'm super tired. I know. This is not meant to be funny. It's a video blog. Or a vlog. Or whatever you choose to call it. Abandoned home. Take a picture. Ha. Okay. Yeah, that's me on a normal basis. So, I'm just gonna walk home. Now that the rainbow's gone. I hope you all can see it, or else this video won't make much of a point. The video's not meant to be funny. Not meant to be funny. So, okay, how much of my face can you see right now? I bet it's really creepy. You probably feel like up my nose or something. So now that I'm at my house, kind of, I'm gonna go home, and this movie's gonna